Jules here for Talk to Me Tuesday, October 23rd. It is Zubu week, and this weekend I was going to work on my costume for Zubu, but I didn't because I was sick all weekend. Someone came into my office on Friday and they were bathed in perfume, and whatever it was, I mean, normally I'm sensitive to perfume, but this affected me like no other perfume has affected me before. And my throat started to close up and it got all scratchy and swollen, and I was coughing. And of course, the coughing made it more irritated, and so I kept coughing the rest of the day and was chugging water all day. I felt like crap. I didn't sleep good Friday night because I couldn't breathe because my throat was still kind of swollen, and I kept waking up like gasping for air. So that was kind of terrifying. And I don't normally have, I mean, I have stuff that makes me sneeze, you know, that I'm sensitive to. I take a Zyrtec every day because I suffer from chronic hives. I sometimes react to things on my skin. But I basically, starting Friday night, I started doubling my Zyrtec dose and taking it every 12 hours instead of every 24 hours. And so I normally take it in the morning. This is turning into a really long story. But I normally take it in the morning, so I took it again right when I got home, and then took twice on Saturday, and then, and just aside from going to the grocery store on Saturday, I just plopped on the couch, and because normally regular Zyrtec doesn't knock me out, but when I have to take the double, you know, when I have to shorten the length between them, I get really drowsy. So I slept a lot, and I wasn't sleeping good at night. Saturday night again, I just couldn't breathe that great. So yesterday, I only had to take the one dose of Zyrtec, and I slept fine last night. No waking up, you know, having dreams about being choked. So that's good. So I talked to our HR person today and asked her if she would mind having a word with the person who almost killed me on Friday. So she did, and has just asked her to seriously tone it down because she'd received some complaints and that she made someone very ill. So that was pretty gross. I thought I was getting a cold, the flu. I never had a fever. I never had no other symptoms. It was just my throat. That is it. But it was irritation and swollen and coughing. So I think it has to have been some sort of air pollutant. God, it's just weird. But anyway, I've never had that happen before. So I'm behind on my Zubu outfit. Just for fun, this year we were talking, I am the marketing coordinator for the sales department, and my sales team and I were throwing around ideas. You know, what are you going to do for Zubu? And we were, a couple of them were like, we should totally do it. A team costume, like we should all wear this, you know, be the same, from the same theme. So we opted for Minions because pockets and hat. My throat is still a bit weird. And, yeah, and easy to throw together with stuff you might already have around the house. So that's the plan. So I picked this up at the thrift store for $1, and I will be using this, which one of the other salespeople bought a package, and this is one they gave me. I will be using this and this mason jar thing, I think, to make my, oh, you know what? That might actually be too big. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I need to play around with that. This hat is like really huge. And then I can put my ponytail out the back. So yay, so I just need to glue that together, and then I'll make a little black band to go around and cover the stupid writing on it. And take some black yarn and poke that through here to have some little sparse hair. And I printed these to work up some sort of like pin or some sort of patch that I could temporarily sew on. I have some overalls. I use them for yard work because the way they've changed all the jeans and stuff over the past like 5 to 10 years, I got tired of mooning the entire neighborhood when I did my yard work. So, so I bought overalls, men's overalls at the thrift store. And I wear those when I do my yard work. Still doing it. Yeah, so I'm going to make this out of fabric. I will probably just baste it onto either the overalls or I actually ordered a denim jumper from Amazon, which should arrive tomorrow. Hopefully it will fit. And I don't want anything permanent on it, so I thought I might just use a basting stitch and baste it on. And then yellow capri leggings and sneakers, and we're good to go. Okay, sorry, came back from the coughing attack. I look forward to watching your videos. And I'll see you next week.